Good morning everyone. Mabuhay. Welcome to Boracay Good News. This is Coach RM Lubaton. Actually, I am the host for 3K series and I'll be joining yung maganda at pupoging co-host ko ngayon dito, SB Alan, Sir Eugene, and Miss Lodi.
Parang gusto mong sabihin na ikaw yung pinaka-pogi talaga. Gusto mo talagang i-highlight yun. Ano?
Sabihin mo lang.
DJ RM in the house.
Yeah!
Mamaya
Sa
siya.
lahat po na nag-message sa akin na gusto magpabati at gusto magpakita mamaya,
Mhm.
doon po sa screen. Nandito lamang po kami, malapit po sa Aklan College.
Catholic College.
Aklan Catholic College, near the church in front of the plaza. Alright, so grabe, sobrang dami po ng nakikilahok sa ating ati-atihan 2025. And Sir Alan, SB Alan, Sir Eugene, and Ma'am Lodi, this is my third year. Thank you so much for welcoming me, and thank you. It is a privilege being here with you guys.
At hindi tayo maimbitahan without, of course, the invitation coming from Garcia family, the owner of Paradise Cable Television.
Yes, thank you, Sir
and,
Chip.
Thank you, sir.
Aklan Cable Television. Siyempre, kasama yung ating napakabait at sa masabi na nating generous na si Ma'am
Yes, of
Ophel.
course.
Mommy.
Yeah, shout out Ma'am Ophel,
The
our
mother
GM
of
ng
all
ACTV
season.
and
Mother of all
PCTV.
season.
Alright.
Mother of all season. Talaga yan.
Kung ang ati-atihan ay ang Mother Festival, ang Mother Queen namin si Ma'am Ophel, syempre.
Yes.
There you go.